white. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes left. Lucy, loose. Lucy. Lucy, Lucy. Lucy, Lucy. Lucy is unfazed. Happy New Year! Like 1/3 of what it was last year. Happy New Year, Mr. White. Lucy, unfazed by fireworks, huh, Lucy Loose? And Mr. White, Mr. White, and Lucy. Lucy's not scared at all. She's like ready to go to bed. We were ready to go to bed. And I'm like, nah, I think I'll get out. Take a drive. Huh, buddy? These are the only 2 dogs that are not in their kennels and are chilling with me. This is my first 100% sober New Year's Eve. This is a big achievement. I stopped smoking marijuana every day for the first time in 27 years in 2025. Ask me how I did it. That's an upcoming video.